in this video I will do reverse tabletop marching. Okay, so what we'll do, bring the hands slightly wider than your, like almost the same as your shoulders. Bring that belly, zipping that from the pubic bone upwards, finishing the breath, staying right here, so it's, your hips are slightly halfway down, okay? Breathing through the rib cage in this moment. Now I want you to tighten up your glutes, stabilize your hips, because as we will lift that toe up to prepare yourself for the next round. Inhale to prepare, exhale, lifting just the heel up, okay? You can see that lifting the heel is getting you out of the balance. So now we will try to elevate your leg. Inhale to prepare, exhale. 1. Beautiful. You see my hips wanted to shift, but you need to prevent from doing so. Inhale to prepare, exhale. Good. Zip it from the pubic bone. Tighten up your rib cage. Keep marching. We'll go 4 on each side. 4. 3. Beautiful. 2 on each side. The more, imagine that you have a butt of like glass of water on your hips. You don't want to spill it, so therefore you need to make sure that it's not happening. Perfect for stabilizing all your muscles, including your deep core. And bring your hips down and down. You can repeat another set, another rounds. Rest in between, hydrate, and I'll see you next video.